Yeah, we're going to leave this building. So this is how the house is after moving everything, cleaning up. And this is everything. This is where it is. So this is the sitting room. It's all in good condition.
Hello.
And
Correct.
so we're just doing the final touches here. This is the sitting room. There's no light in this house, but look at it. It's all in good condition. And that's how it is. So I'm just running upstairs.
Yes, we are, yes.
So this is the staircase. Everything is all cleaned up.
Correct.
So we're just in a hurry now to get that from here. So all clean up. I just go through so that we don't have any complaint from the landlord that is always saying that he's going to hold back our deposit. So this is, so that is it. The whole house is still clean and empty. So I'm turning off the light now. And that is the bedroom. So that's the bedroom. So look at it. Walls, everything is in order. I'm coming to this bathroom. So that is how it is. The bathroom, the light is on now. Look at it. So that's how it is.